Hi friends, welcome back to All on Law. Today I'm going to talk briefly about differential diagnosis of wheezing in pediatrics patient. Okay guys, before starting this, I would request you to subscribe to our channel and please tell your friends to subscribe. Okay, let me start with this. This is a very awesome table. Just go through once and please tell your friends to subscribe. That's very important. Okay guys, I divided into less than 5 years and the more than 5 years. Okay, so in a less than 5 years, if there's a wheezing, think of asthma, infection, there's a viral upper or a lower respiratory tract infection, bronchiolitis, tuberculosis, pertussis. 6 months to 1.5 year is a bronchiolitis is the most common cause for that. Okay, and that's very important topic for pediatricians. Bronchiolitis, that's very important. How do you manage is very important for a step 3. And regarding the diagnosis is very important for your step 2 CK. Okay, for MRC PCH examination, AMC, MCC, very important topic, bronchiolitis. Bronchopulmonary dysplasia, sinusitis, foreign body aspiration, sudden onset of wheezing, stridor in a patient, in a baby of a 9-month-old, minimum age 9 months. Could be a foreign body aspiration. Okay, that's very urgent or emergency condition. Anatomic abnormalities, vascular ring, mediastinal mass, tracheobronchial bronchomalacia, aspiration due to swallow dysfunction or GERD. Even you can see in a CP there is a cerebral palsy. Cardiac disease with a congestive heart failure, immunodeficiency, immotile cilia, and cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a very big topic and very important topic for your USMLE examination. I will be discussing it later because I need to prepare very well for that. Okay, so that's why I will definitely upload a video on that. More than 5 years, think first of asthma, then vocal cord dysfunction, GERD, and the cystic fibrosis. Okay, so try to memorize the differential diagnosis of wheezing in less than 5 years. That's very important than more than 5 years. Okay, usually they will give in the history. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care.